Hello everyone, Stan Conrad from the Greek for All is here. In this video we are going to practice reading Greek. We are going to practice our pronunciation skills, and I have chosen the passage from the Gospel of John chapter 10. And first I'm going to read every word slowly, and you will repeat those words right after me, and afterwards we will read the verse faster together. So in this video I'm going to offer the Erasmus School of Pronunciation. This is the preferred pronunciation in the seminaries and the theology schools, so there is not going to be any modern pronunciation in this video. And before we begin, a quick question. I know that many of my viewers watch these videos on their mobile devices, the phones and the tablets, so let me know in the comments below if the size of this font is big enough so you could clearly see the words. So just leave a comment for me so I know what kind of font size to use for the future videos. Now let's begin. Amen, and you repeat it right after me. So let's do it again. Amen, amen. Λέγω, χουμίν, χω, με, εισερχόμενος, διά, τες, θούρες, εις, τεν, αουλέν, τον, προβάτων, αλλά, αναμπάινων, αλαχότεν, εκέινος, κλέπτες, εστίν, καί, λεστές. Now let's read it together. Amen, amen. Λέγω χουμίν, χω με εισερχόμενος, διά τες θούρες, εις τεν αουλέν των προβάτων, αλλά αναμπάινον, αλαχότεν, εκέινος κλέπτες, εστίν καί λεστές. Let's go to verse number 2. Χω, δε, εισερχόμενος, διά, τες, θούρες, ποημέν, εστίν, των, προβάτων. Χω, δε, εισερχόμενος, διά, τες θούρες, ποημέν, εστίν των, προβάτων. Let's do verse number 3. Τούτο, χω, θουρορός. Let's do it again. Θουρορός, ανόηγei, καί, τα, πρόβατα, τες, φωνές, αουτού, ακούει, καί, τα, ίδια, πρόβατα, φωνέι, κατ, όνομα, καί, εξάγει, αουτά. A little nuance about these two words. We can see that the preposition kata has an elision, so we remove the last alpha and we put this apostrophe here, and we can see that this word does not have an accent. It loses its accent and phonetically connects to the following word. So instead of saying kat onoma, we need to read it as one unit, katonoma, katonoma. So let's read the whole verse together. Τούτο, χω θουρερός, ανόηγei, καί τα πρόβατα τες φωνές, autu acuei kai ta idia probata phonei katonoma kai exage auta. Let's move to verse number 4. Chotan, the rough breathing mark. Let's do it again. Chotan, ta, idia, panta, ekbale, emprosten, auton, poreuetai, kai, ta, probata, auto, akaluthei, choti, oidesin, ten, phonen, autu. Let's read it together. Chotan ta idia panta ekbale emprosten auton poreuetai kai ta probata auto akaluthei. Choti oidesin ten phonen autu. Let's do verse number 5. Allotrio, de, u, me, akalutesusin. Let's do it again. Akolutesusin, ala, pheuxontei, up, autu. The same story is here. We have the elision, so we read it together. Apautu, choti, uk, oidesin, ton, allotrion, ten, phonen. Let's read it together. Allotrio, de u me akalutesusin, ala, pheuxontai, apautu, choti uk oidesin, ton allotrion, ten phonen. Let's jump to verse number 6. Tauten, ten, paroimian. Let's do it again. Paroimian, eipen, autois, ho, Iesus, ekeinoi, de, uk, egnosan, tina, en, ha, elalei, autois. Let's read it together. Tauten ten paroimian, eipen autois ho Iesus. Ekeinoi de uk egnosan, tina en ha elalei autois. And let's do verse number 7. Eipen, un, palin, ho, Iesus, amen, amen, lego, humin, ego, eimi, he, tura, ton, probaton. Let's read it together. Eipen un palin ho Iesus, amen, amen, lego humin, ego eimi, hetura, ton, probaton. So on this positive note that Jesus is our gate or our door, let us Remember this today, and may God bless you. I wish you all the best. I'll see you in the next video.